Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today I am going to show you how to download and install WhatsApp on your laptop or PC. For this, you need to go to the Microsoft Store icon at the bottom of the screen. If you don't have this icon at the bottom of the screen, no problem. Just go to the search box and type MIC. So you can see that already Microsoft Store apps is showing. Just click on it and the Microsoft Store will be opened. You will see the WhatsApp application after Microsoft Store is open. If you don't see it here, just go to the search box and type WhatsApp. You can see it, the WhatsApp icon is showing. Just click on it and you will see a get option here in the blue color. As I have already downloaded it, so the get option is not showing. You will see a get option here. Just click on the get option and the download will be completed. Then this interface will be opened. Just click on the pin to taskbar option and it will ask you whether you want to pin it in the taskbar. Just click on yes and you will see that the WhatsApp icon is now pinned in the taskbar. Then the next task is click on the icon and now click on the get started button. Here it is showing that we have to go to mobile and click on the three dot icon and then select the linked devices option. So now I am going to my mobile. Now I am entering into the WhatsApp mobile application. After entering in the application, we will go to the three dot menu at the top right corner. Here we see the linked devices option. Just click on it. Then we will need to click on the link a device option. Scan your fingerprint if needed. Then click on OK to scan the QR code. Now I have come to my laptop and scanned my QR code. The processing has begun and you will see that the account is now linked in the laptop. Now wait for a few seconds in this page and keep the app open while all the data are being synced in your laptop. So here it is. You can see that all the messages and contacts are showing on my laptop screen. You can use WhatsApp on laptop as easily as you are using it on your mobile phone. So thanks for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel to get more useful videos. Thank you.